Hi guys, and welcome to my review of the new A119 MINI from Viofo. So no messing about, let's get straight into it and have a look at some of the specs of the camera. So we've got 2K recording resolution. It uses the Sony Starvis sensor. This camera also has Wi-Fi at 5 GHz, which enables you to transfer video files straight to your mobile device without having to remove the SD card or connect it to a computer. And this works incredibly well. Integrated GPS logger, which tracks where you've been. A nice wide 140-degree wide angle recording lens. In conjunction with Viofo's hardwire kit, it has parking mode. And if you choose, you can use up to a 256GB micro SD card. Once you get into the well-packaged box, this is the main camera with the GPS logger already attached. The first thing I did notice is it is considerably smaller from the other similar spec Viofo A119 and A129 models. Build quality is fantastic. Everything seems very tactile and very firm. Here's some installation guidance and full instructions on how to operate the unit. This is a pry tool to help run the cables in between any panels in the interior of the vehicle. Being plastic, it will not damage anything. USB to US Type-C data cable to plug into a computer. And this is your 12-volt cigarette socket with 2 USB outputs, so you can charge your phone as well as your dash camera. They're really good. And this is a USB to USB Type-C 90-degree angle connector, just to power the camera. And here's some accessories that I'll be using with the camera. This is the Viofo 64GB micro SD card. And now possibly my favourite accessory for the Wi-Fi cameras, the Bluetooth button. It comes with a spare battery, 2 spare adhesive pads, so you have everything you need for long-term usage. It's super easy to connect. You've got instructions, but basically as the camera turns on, you just press and hold the button. It'll flash and automatically connect, and that is it. And every time you press that button, you will save any file you need to protect. Another optional extra is the CPL lens that just clips onto the front of the dash camera and really does improve the image during the day, greatly reducing screen glare. And another accessory is the optional hardwire kit. This will automatically put your camera into parking mode when you turn your car off. You don't need to touch the camera. And as you can see, it's got auto voltage cutoff, so if your car battery does run low, if you've left it recording for an extended period of time, it will turn the camera off and preserve the car battery so you can still start the car. And your car will be protected and still recording. Just thought I'd do a really quick demonstration on how easy it is to save the clips with the Bluetooth button. So just remember, this Bluetooth button can be mounted anywhere in the vehicle and absolutely miles away from the camera.
Video protected.
And that's it, your video's now protected until you choose to delete it. So if you're a professional driver, maybe a van driver or a HGV driver, this camera would be ideal because you can save a clip even if the camera's out of reach. You just press the button wherever you've placed it.
Video protected.
A great test for any dash camera is when the sun is directly facing you and to see what details it can still pick up. If we pause the clip just here, we can see how well the camera performs even though the sun is directly facing us. All the number plates and all the vehicle livery is easily readable and very clear. It's common knowledge that dash cameras struggle in low light conditions. There are no street lights whatsoever, yet look how clearly the camera is picking up this vehicle's number plate. Here's another nice example of this lovely MGB, which is 50 years old. MGB. Here's a nice example on a very gloomy day. The sticker on the near side of the HGV giving a warning. So overall, what do I think? Personally, I think it's a great little camera and great value for money. The Viofo A119 MINI is only mini in name, but not in performance. The Bluetooth button alone to save the clips when the camera's out of reach is a huge positive, and the fact that it's got the 5G Wi-Fi to transfer video files quickly, simply to the Viofo app, making this camera brilliant value for money. Please don't forget as well, it's a super capacitor camera, not an internal battery camera. So reliability wise, the use of super capacitors, being a single channel camera, it'll make it one of the most reliable dash cameras available. You've no battery issues to worry about and no overheating issues. It also has one of the lowest power consumptions of a dash camera on the market. Even if you're a newbie to dash cameras, this is super easy to install with a sticky pad. It's got one power source and one SD card. You could have it wired into your car, up and running in under 10 minutes very easily. Okay, I think that's all from me, but I'd just like to say thank you for watching my review. Please like and subscribe, the usual malarkey. Cheers, until next time.